Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So if I sound a little sleepy, it's because I just woke up. It's like 7 a.m. I'm gonna be getting ready for school. So this is a get ready with me first day of school. I hope you guys enjoy this video. And if you guys are going back to school or you guys already in school, then good luck. And before we start the video, I just want to say, if you haven't subscribed, please do so. Share my video, like my video, comment. I really appreciate you guys so much. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. And yeah, let's start with the video. So I think I'm gonna speed through the video while doing my makeup, just because it's in the morning. Like, I don't want to talk. Everyone is asleep. So everything is like super quiet. And I don't know, I feel like, and I don't want you guys to get bored, so I'll probably just speed through the video. So the first thing, I'm still gonna show everything. So the first thing I'm gonna be using is the Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade in medium brown, and I'm gonna be using the AOA Studio brush in E133. And this one is from the Pop Out collection from Shop Miss A, so it's really good, my favorite. So I'm gonna be using this too. I don't know why whenever I do my eyebrow like super ugly, and then they always come out good at the end when I curve them out. So that's what I do, and it works for me. So now I'm taking the Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation. Like you guys know, this is my holy grail foundation. I wear it every single day. It's my favorite. And I'm gonna be taking this one more brush. It's just a flat brush. Sorry that it's a little dirty, but it has all my foundation and concealer. So yeah, I'm gonna take the foundation. If you guys want to know, I'm in the shade Golden Beige. So this is what I do, and then I just get some product. And then I just curve out my eyebrows. Now I'm taking a Real Techniques brush. This is how it looks like, and I use this one to blend out the foundation. Now I'm taking back my eyebrow brush, and I'm just gonna brush the beginning of my eyebrow so it doesn't look so harsh, and it's kind of like, it kind of pulls everything together. So I think that look good. So since I have eyelash extensions, like I don't really do anything to my eyes, so we're just gonna be moving to my skin. For primer, I'm taking the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Rose 3-in-1 base. Oh, it's the wrong way. Primer water. I have the rose scent, so we're just gonna be using that. This little primer water is so good and so affordable. It's like $3-4, so hey. Now I'm back to my Wet n Wild foundation. This is a new bottle. The other one that I use, it's already like empty, but I just use it for my eyebrows. So I have this brand new foundation, so it's so satisfying to see the little thingy clear, because the other one is disgusting. Okay, so also I don't apply a lot of foundation for school. I just use enough to cover my redness. Then I'm taking the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, because I do need concealer. I just applied 3 dots, that's it, because the Tarte Shape Tape, with just a little amount, you can cover a lot, so. Then we're gonna use the Too Faced Born This Way loose powder. Sorry, but the name already rolled off, so I was trying to remember. But yeah, it's the it's at the bottom. But yeah, it's a Too Faced Born This Way setting powder, and I have it in translucent. So we're gonna a little bit, just a little bit. I think this is a perfect amount. It's just a little bit. Now I'm just gonna take a dry beauty blender or beauty sponge, because it's not even a beauty blender. So I'm just gonna apply it under my eyes. Let me get my mirror. Okay. So I just applied a little bit powder, so I'm gonna let it sit for like 1 minute or 2 minutes, because I don't want to really bake. But I still want the powder to, I still want my skin to absorb the powder, because the T-zone is mostly where I get the most oily. So yeah. So this is the final look. I still gotta add some lip gloss, but I'll do that once I'm done with everything, because I still need to change. I don't have an outfit on mine yet, but we'll see what I'm gonna wear. Yeah, let's see what I do with my hair also, and I'll be just right back. This is how my makeup and my hair ended up looking like. I just put it on the side, then I added like this two clip thingies. They look so cute. I just have some earrings. I added a ring, a gold necklace, my watch, my Pandora bracelet, and I'm trying to put this one. This one I got from Disney World. It's like a Disney charm thingy. It's really cute. So I'll ask my mom if she can put it on for me, because I can with my nails. But I'll show you guys my outfit. Okay, so for my outfit, I'm wearing this long sleeve, well, not long sleeve, it's like a 3/4 shirt, button-up shirt. It's denim. I actually showed it on my Diddy's haul, so if you guys want to watch it,
I'll put it on the iCard. For my jeans, I'm wearing True Religion jeans. I don't know if you guys can see in the butt. Yes, so they're True Religion. And then for shoes, I'm just wearing white Vans. For my backpack, it's from Pink. But yeah, guys, that's how I look for my first day of school. I don't know where to look. I don't know if I should look over here or over there because it's weird because I'm looking into the mirror. But yeah, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.